When it comes to ensuring a safe and positive online environment, knowing how to report inappropriate content on Twitter is essential. Here's a simple guide on how to report a reply on Twitter from your PC. First, navigate to the specific reply that you believe violates Twitter's guidelines. It's crucial to accurately identify the content you wish to report. Next, look for the More icon near the reply. Click or tap on this icon to reveal additional options. Select the Report option from the menu that appears. This action initiates the reporting process and allows you to provide feedback on the content you find concerning. When prompted to specify the reason for your report, choose It displays a sensitive image. This selection helps Twitter understand the nature of the violation and take appropriate action. By following these steps, you actively contribute to maintaining a safe and respectful community on Twitter. Reporting inappropriate content plays a vital role in upholding community standards and ensuring a positive experience for all users. Thank you for being proactive in promoting a safer online environment.